Hi everyone. So last time we have seen how to pass data from controller to view. Okay, again I'll come back to this. Okay, requesting everyone to see from the very beginning. Alright. So we stored right now this Maya and then we used to pass it to by using viewback. Okay, now what are we going to do? Okay, we'll create a model. So how to create a model? Just come to this model folder, right click and add class and give the class name whatever you want. Okay, right now in this example I am taking employee is one of the class. Okay, it has come. Now I'll take some column here, public, and okay, so we need name also and we need salary also. Alright, so we require salary. Okay, and I'm just deleting line number 9. Okay, and one extra bracket has come. Fine. So now you can see, okay, we have a model that is employee and it has three properties. Okay, ID, name and salary. All right. Now we will try to pass, okay, this to view. Okay, right. Last time what have we done? We have just passed a single variable. Okay, so now we are using object-oriented programming. So what we'll do? Okay, we'll make object of the class. Okay. So if you see this here, all right, line number 12 I'm talking about. This employee is an object of employee. And as far as object-oriented programming is concerned, this employee object will have whatever your employee class is having. So I say dot ID, some values, okay, and then we say employee dot name and some name here. Okay, so you can put any name. I'm just putting some data randomly. Okay, then salary is also there. Okay, we say employee dot salary. All right, let's say 9,000. Fine. So again I'll repeat what are we doing right now. Okay, we have one object that is employee. Line number 12 I'm talking about. Okay, we are assigning ID as 1, name as Paresh, and the salary is 9,000. Now we want this data. Okay, we want this data to pass from this controller to the respective view, and here is the view. Correct? So what we'll do, okay, see this here, controller is this. Okay, we say view back. So I'm starting with very basic things. Okay, I say view back dot x equal to employee dot id. All right, view back. Okay, in the last session I have discussed with you, okay, y, and then I say employee dot name. Okay, and then I say put a semicolon here, sorry, and then say viewback dot z, viewback dot z, okay, your employee dot salary. Okay, so now if you see this line number 16, 17 and 18, we have assigned ID to this, we assign name to this, okay, we have assigned salary to this. All right, now we'll go to our view, that is our view. Okay, I'm just deleting it now because we have done. So I say here H1, okay, and now I change this to employee details. Okay, employee details. You can display anything whatever you want, and sorry, should be H1. All right, that is also clear. Now we want to print name, etc., ID, name, etc. Okay, so I'll say P and viewback. Now, okay, I discuss right now at the rate viewback dot x. Okay, then same way we'll be writing this and this viewback dot y. Okay, and viewback dot z. Fine. Now end user will not come to know which is what data. So we can say here your ID H, okay, your name is, okay, and then your salary is this. Okay. Now let's see this. Fine. This is our model, that is employee. It has three properties, and that is our controller. In the controller we are making object, assigning to view back, and then we are reaching to your index.html, and over here, okay, I'm trying to run this. Okay, let's see this. I'm using paragraph, that is HTML, then view back belong to your C# razor syntax. Okay, it will take few seconds depending upon the system that you are using. Okay, then you will be able to see this. Okay, fine. Okay, you can see this. Index view, employee detail, employee ID is 1, Paresh, and this. Okay, so I think it is very much clear to you. Again, I'll draw here a pen, okay, to make you very much clear what we have done. Okay, this is your controller here. One second. Okay, this is your controller, and this is your view. Fine. And then here you are having a model. All right, this model. So what have we done? Okay, we have here. Okay, wait. I'll clarify this. We have here employee. Okay, employee. Then we are. This is our controller. Inside this controller, we make object. Okay, and assign the data to the view back, and this is our view, and here we are displaying. Okay, so again I'll explain you what have we done. See this. This is your employee. Okay, employee we are accessing in controller. In the controller we are making the object, assigning the data to the view back, and from view back we are routing to the view. Fine. Now what happens actually when user comes on the browser and types something? So initially, okay, it comes to the controller. Fine. Now controller, see when it comes to the controller, inside this controller, we are making object of the employee class. Okay, I'm talking about this. All right. One second. This. Fine. And after this, okay, we are assigning some data and we are using view back right now. And through view back, okay, we are sending the data to the respective view, and the end user is able to see whatever data is there. Okay. Thank you for watching it. Please